Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Wave your hands. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Wave your hands. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to you. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Yes, I'm very good and happy to see you all. Yes, very good. So, today, what are we going to do today? Do you know? Can you guess what are we going to do today? We are going to learn new sound, okay, that we have done today in our class. Yes, so this is letter C. Repeat after me, letter C. This is capital C and this is small c. Okay, and what is the sound of letter C? We are going to learn today. Okay, so letter C says k, 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 k. Do it with me. Very good. Once again, let's do it together. Everyone together. Very good. So letter C says. Okay, so let's explore many words that has beginning sound. Okay. All right. So let's start with this one. What is this? Cat. What is this? Cat. Okay, so what is the beginning sound when we say cat? K, k, k. Isn't it? When we say cat, we hear beginning sound k. Okay, all right, so k, k, cat. K, k, cat. Please repeat after me. K, k, cat. Okay, great. Now what is next? Car. What is this? Car. When we say car, again we hear the beginning sound. K, 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 k. Do the action. K, k, car. K, k, car. K, k, car. What is this? Do the action and tell me the sound. Very good. Excellent. Wonderful. What is this? What is this? It's a cap. What is this? Cap. When it's very hot and when we want to go outside, we don't forget to take our cap. Okay, this is a cap. Okay, let's do the action. Let's tell the sound also. Okay, cap, cap, cap. Okay, this is a cap. Such a lovely colorful cap, right? I'm sure you also have a cap in your house. Do you? Yes, nod your head if you have a cap. Okay, good. And what is this? It's a cup. When we say cup, again we hear the beginning sound k, 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 right? So let's do it together. Action and sound. K, k, cup, k, k, cup, k, k, cup. Okay, so I hope I made you all clear about the sound, about the action and different words. Okay, so let's revise again. Cap, k, k, cap, k, k, car, k, k, cup, k, k, cat. Okay, now let's sing a song related to the sound k, k, k. Okay, so are you all ready? Let me see your action. Good job. Okay. We are clicking castanet. K, k, k. We are clicking castanet. K, k, k. We are clicking castanet. Clicking castanet. We are clicking castanet. K, k, k. Okay, yes, very good. Letter C says k, 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 k. Okay, thank you so much for being so good and listening to me patiently. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave your hands and say bye-bye. Very good. Thank you.